Senior animal, Owen Will Hoyt. We're going to give him a couple, 2 or 3 laps through, and then we'll go into a small break. Got to do a little bit of track prep work. Your attention down in the pit area. Box stock Predator 360s. You'll be the first race afterwards. Box stock Predator 360s. You're going to be the first races after the track prep break. On Will Holt, they pay to play, so he'll take his ceremonial victory laps in the senior animal division. All right, Owen Will Hoyt in your senior animal class, taking the official, and of course they try to do that to make sure that they get their win awarded to them. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to take a small break at this time.